Hello everyone and welcome back to the English Time. I'm Lily.
And I'm Alex. We're so happy you're here with us today.
Today we have a really fun lesson for you. We are going to the shopping mall.
Yes, today we will practice real English, the kind you use when you actually go shopping.
We have 4 different scenes for you today. First, we go to a clothes shop. Then, we visit a shoe store. After that, we go to the food court to eat. And finally, we need to ask for directions inside the mall. For scenes, lots of new words and real conversations you can use in your life. So grab your shopping bag and let's go. Okay, Alex, we are inside the mall now. Let's go to the clothes shop first.
Great idea. Oh wow, look at all these clothes. I see shirts, t-shirts, pants, and jackets. Lily, I really like that blue shirt. Can I try it on?
Of course. But first, check the size. What size are you?
I am medium. Let me look, yes. This one is medium size, perfect.
Great. Go to the fitting room. You can try it on there. Okay, it fits. I love it, I want to buy it. Let's go to the cashier.
Excuse me. How much is this shirt?
That is $15, sir.
Okay, I will pay by card, please.
Of course. Here is your receipt. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Great job, Alex. New words from the scene: clothes shop, fitting room, size, cashier, receipt, pay by card.
Lily, let's go to the shoe store next.
Oh yes, I love the shoe store. Look, so many shoes. Black shoes, white shoes, brown shoes.
And sneakers. Do you like sneakers, Lily?
Yes, sneakers are very comfortable. They're great for walking.
I want to buy a pair of sneakers. Let me ask the shop assistant.
Good idea. Go ahead.
Excuse me. Do you have these sneakers in size 8?
Let me check for you. Yes, we have size 8. Would you like to try them on?
Yes, please. Thank you. These feel great. I'll take them.
Wonderful. That will be $30.
Here you go. Can I pay with cash?
Yes, of course. Here is your change and your receipt. Thank you so much.
Great, Alex. Amazing keywords from Scene 2, shoe store, sneakers, size, shop assistant, try on, cash, change. Alex, all that shopping made me hungry.
Me too. Let's go to the food court. Oh wow. So many people. So many tables. And so many choices. I can see pizza, hamburgers, Chinese food. What do you want, Lily?
I want pizza. Let's go to the pizza place. Okay, let's look at the menu first. I see cheese pizza and pepperoni pizza. I want 1 slice of cheese pizza, please.
And I want 1 slice of pepperoni pizza. And 2 waters, please.
Of course. That will be $10.
Here you go. Thank you.
This pizza is delicious. And this is real English practice too. You ordered food, you paid, you were polite. Keywords from Scene 3 are food court, menu, slice, order, water, enjoy your meal.
Lily, I need to find the bathroom. But I don't know where it is.
That's okay. You can ask someone. Be polite. Start with excuse me.
Okay. I'll try. Excuse me. Where is the bathroom, please?
Of course. Go straight, then turn left. You will see it next to the cinema.
Go straight and turn left. Got it. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
I found it. That was easy.
See? Where is a very useful question. You can use it for everything. Excuse me, where is the food court? Excuse me, where is the shoe store? Excuse me, where is the exit?
Yes. Where is, remember this phrase. It works everywhere. Keywords from Scene 4 are bathroom, excuse me, go straight, turn left, exit, you're welcome.
And that's our shopping mall lesson for today. For scenes, so many new words. Practice these conversations with a friend. Or practice alone in front of a mirror. And tell us in the comments, what is your favorite place at the mall? The food court? The clothes shop? The shoe store? Write your answer in English. We love reading your comments. If this lesson helped you, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the English Time. See you in the next lesson. Bye everyone.